To our holiday crafting corner. Today we are creating a magical Santa sleigh table decoration with pine cones, cheap and affordable decoration items. We give you ideas in this video and a centerpiece that brings warmth, sparkle and a touch of the North Pole right to your dining table. This DIY project is perfect for Xmas dinners, family gathering, or festive parties. So grab your supplies, yourself, some cocoa, and let's make something truly merry. The materials range neatly on the table. Here's what we will need: a small wooden or cardboard sleigh. You can buy one or craft your own. Mini Xmas trees, fairy lights, small gift boxes or ornaments, hot glue gun and glue sticks, red, gold, and white ribbons, and of course, a sprinkle of creativity. Let's start with the sleigh itself. If your sleigh is plain wood, give it a quick coat of festive paint. I'm using a rich Santa red with touches of gold on the edges. Means I can use burlap, a rustic touch, whatever you want to have, what you already have, you can make this beautifully. You can create this with your own mind and use your creative mind. Painting, motion, brush strokes, glittering. Once it's dry, lightly dust it with glitter for that frosty Xmas sparkle. Already looks magical. This is the season of holiday, and this is the pure loved time to fill the sleigh with festive cheer. Place tiny wrapped gift, baubles, and mini pinecone inside. Balance is key. Remember, balance is key. You want your sleigh to look full but not overcrowded. Play with height, taller items like mini trees at the back, smaller ones up front. So, is this your creative mind? Now let's move to our table layout. Carefully is the middle, hands placing sleigh carefully in the middle on both. And now let's move to our table layout. Spread a white or red table runner. This will be our snowy path. What you like, you spread that. Place a Santa sleigh right at the center of the table. Hands placing sleigh carefully in the middle on both sides. Position candles, pine garlands, or small reindeer figurines. If you are hosting dinner, make sure the centerpiece height doesn't block conversation. You can even add name tags tied with gold ribbon for an elegant touch. Now comes my favorite part: lighting it up. Turn on your fairy lights and let the sleigh sparkle. And add a few finishing touches, sprinkle fake snow on the table and cinnamon sticks or Xmas scented pine cones for a cozy aroma. Focus on details, shots, every glow, every sparkle. It's the season spirit shining right from your hands. And there you have it, your own Santa sleigh table decoration, handmade, heartfelt, and full of Xmas joy. If you enjoyed the tutorial, if you enjoyed these type of videos, if you enjoyed This voice of tutorial, we try to give you ideas so don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your fellow crafters. Let your creativity slay this holiday season. Until next time, stay crafty, stay merry, and keep spreading the sparkle of Xmas. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and beautiful good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. May your crafting will be masterpiece. Thank you. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and good day. Take care of yourself and your family members. Keep crafting. Keep shining like a star. Keep making something amazing. Keep crafting something unique and beautiful. If you want to more designs like this, more ideas like this, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Wishing you a very happy holiday, happy festival. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for joining us today. Have a very nice and very good day. If you want to order this, so tell me about this, and we will try to upload the link. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy